Hello, I am Martinez. I am Martinez. I am a hospital officer in the Geology department. I am going to present topic on intake structures in conveying system. Intake structures are civil engineering works, typically masonry or RCC, designed to withdraw the water from the sources like rivers, lakes, and reservoirs and discharges into treatment plant conduits. They ensure the consistent clean water supply and screening debits manages the flow of various water levels and protecting against contamination. Main types of intake structures: submerged intakes, intake towers, river intakes, and the canal intakes. Submerged intakes completely submerged, often used in the in lakes for simplicity. Intake towers, exposed towers, are constructed in lakes or reservoirs to draw the water from the various depth. River intakes, located at the side of the river to draw the water, often constructed at a wet or dry well. Canal intakes, small, simple structures located at the side of the canal. Operational type: it is wet intake and dry intake. The water level inside the well is same as the water is source. And the wet dry intake, the intake pipe directly connects to the raw water sources without a wet level, keeping the mesentery dry. An intake structure is a transition through which the flow is diverted from a source such as a reservoir or the ocean into a conduit, which may be a canal or a pipe. Types of intelligence at the locations. Since different bodies of water have various characteristics, such as different ideal intake structures for freshwater systems, these categories are river, canal, and lake, and recent intakes. Pipe pipe materials are selected based on the applications, pressures, temperatures, and fluid type, with common applications including metals like steel, copper, iron for strengthen the plastic, PVC, HDP, and PP for corrosion resistance. Common pipe materials and applications: uh, carbon steel, uh, carbon steel used in the oil gas, stainless steel ideal for the corrosion resistance, copper commonly used for residing water supply, hot water and HVAC, PVC polyvinyl chloride used for cold water pipes, CPVC chlorinated polyvinyl chloride, HDPE high density polyvinyl chloride, flexible and durable, excellent to underground water and gas lines. PEX, cross-linked polyethylene, flexible plastic often used for portable water and radiant heating. Cast iron and ductile iron, traditionally used for water distributions and sewage systems, and excellent for individual chemicals applications and water with a huge impact resistance. Glass resistance empty, lightweight, used in the uh, often oil, gas, and sewage systems. Selection factors: corrosion resistance, temperature and pressure, durability, lifespan, and cost. Corrosion resistance is essential for water, chemicals, and soil applications. Temperature, pressure, high temperatures and pressures require metal or specialized plastic. Durability: materials like concrete and steel are used for durability. Cost: copper is generally more expensive than plastic offensive like PVX and CPVC. Pipe materials: there are different types of materials available. That is, main classifications: metal and non-metal. Metal has ferrous and non-ferrous. Non-metal has PVC and lenticulate. Ferrous has cast iron, carbon steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel. And non-ferrous is copper alloy, nickel alloy, and aluminum alloy. And non-metal is PVC, CPVC, HDPE, and GB, and cement. Lined clad is rubber link, PTFE link, and FRP lined. Types of pipes. These are different types of pipes based on structure like structure. Threaded joints, compressive fittings, and push fittings, and flanged joints. Common pipe testings available are hydraulic testing, pneumatic testing, ultrasonic testing, and magnetic particle testings, which involves that the pipe with the water and Pressures it often to be 1 second working pressure to check the leaks and structural integrity. Pneumatic testing uses the pressurized air or gas. And ultrasonic testing uses sound waves to detect the internal flaws and live cracks. And magnetic photon testing detects surface and near surface cracks in the ferromagnetic materials. Destructive material specific testing, tensile strength and commercial strength, and bend test, impact test, and notch test. Pump selection. Pump selection involves the matching system needs flow type and condition to pump characteristics, primarily choosing between the centrifugal and displacement. Then finding the right model using the pump curve and ensuring NPH for optimal performance and reliability. Key steps in pump selection. Analyze fluid and calculate the total dynamic head. Select pump based on centrifugal pump and positive displacement axial and mixed flow based on this pipe can be selected. Consult pump curves and check NPSH and consider the materials instrument. Critical parameters: capacity, head, fluid viscosity, temperature, and NSPH efficiency. Pumping station. Pumping station is critical infrastructure facility designed to move the fluids, especially in the water and wastewater sewage. These are the typical diagram for the pump fitting and flowing of water to the sewage system. These are the water flows and connect the water and send the water to the drainage tank. This is the pipe appurtenances. Pipe appurtenances can consist of the different material used for maintaining the pipe and repairing the pipe in manhole as well as the sluice valve. Common types of pipe appurtenances: valves, sluice valves, air releases and check, non-return valves, and blow off and scoring valve. And the pipe appurtenances mainly consist of manhole and softness of the characters that belong to the